God, we are in a snowstorm. I'm sinking in. No way. I'm going to die.
What are you gonna do now? You're gonna clean?
Yeah.
You're gonna clean the driveways?
This looks like a snow monster. Ah! Ah!
So, so today is a bad weather, snowstorm. So Jason is stuck in a snow, and now Jason is gonna clean
Yeah.
his Defender,
Yep.
Outlander, and driveway.
Beautiful defense.
Okay, come on, Jason, let's go.
Let me go for deep snow. This is the deep snow. Going on the deep snow and going.
So
in
it's
the-
almost 20 centimeter of snow.
Yep.
So we're gonna clean the driveway.
Gonna clean this way.
So
Oh my God, it's so big.
Jason, where's your shovel?
My shovel is right in here. No way, there's more snow. Go. Go. Swim. Swim. Get on. This is so much snow. Okay, good. Little bit of snow. Ah! Can you help me, Papa? Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you out. Come on, get up, get up. It's too much snow. Bad weather. So you can see.
You can see, guys, how much snow is it? If little babies comes, they can just go in.
Okay, so from where you start cleaning?
We start from the driveway.
Okay.
Then when the driveway is done, we're gonna clean the street.
Okay.